What if your kiddo had to live your life? Bills, messes, bedtime chaos and all. Or better yet, what if they figured out how to earn real money without waiting for allowance? In this episode, we're flipping the script to entitlement, money, and motivation through fake ads, an old school music video, and a fix club that is totally not Fight Club. When kids learn to solve real problems, they don't just earn money, they build confidence, leadership, and a sense of control in the world. So grab your kiddo, watch together, and spark the kind of money conversations that matter. Let's get into it.
Has your child been diagnosed with entitled child syndrome? Symptoms include eye rolls, chore dodging, and assuming money just appears.
Hey buddy, here's your allowance.
That's not enough. Chad gets like way more than that.
You're not alone. That's why there's Switcharol. With Switcharol, you'll experience life exactly how your child sees it, and vice versa. Switcharol is the first empathy-based parenting supplement clinically proven to switch perspectives, literally.
After Switcharol, my son finally got it. Chores aren't about getting paid. They're just what we do. Because things have to get done.
Wait, why am I the one cleaning this up? Wait, I have to pay this back. Like, all of it.
Ask your doctor if Switcharol is right for your family. In clinical trials, 83% of kids who experienced a body swap became 68% more grateful and 100% more likely to fold laundry without complaining. Switcharol is not approved by the FDA. May cause extreme empathy, budgeting skills, and a newfound respect for parents and the emotional toll of extended bedtime routines.
Introducing the greens you didn't know you needed, LC100. Blend it, bake it, bowl it. LC100 fits every lifestyle, from paleo to plankton-based. It's clinically designed to awaken your gut as it flushes your microbiome with chlorophyll and nature's own proprietary blend of fiber and photochemicals. Over 4 million customers can't be wrong. Ask anyone, they're doing LC100.
I've never felt more grounded.
It's like kombucha, but crunchier.
Locally sourced, field fresh, just nature's confetti, direct to your gut. Billions can't be wrong. Athletes, influencers, and those who roam free, they're all on LC100.
The PTA called. Plumbing disaster. Zero hope. Wait, let me start earlier. Like most kids, I was stuck. No money, no plan. Just waiting. I am Jack's unfinished Lego set. I am Jack's unmet potential. That's when I met him. Tyler. He didn't wait for permission. He fixed stuff. He said, you don't need a resume. You need a screwdriver and a problem to solve. And just like that, Fix Club was born. We weren't waiting for chores or allowance anymore. We learned self-reliance. We solved. We charged. We upgraded. The first rule of Fix Club, tell everyone. Referrals are everything. The second rule of Fix Club, tell everyone. Third rule, respect the right sheet. I am Jack's sudden understanding of value. I am Jack's duct-taped destiny. The PTA disaster. We fixed it, ran the booth, turned a profit. We didn't just clean up a mess. We built a future. You were looking for a way to change your life. You found it. Fix what's broken. Charge fair rates. Change your future.
Mom, I need this. Like, now.
Then you better earn it, sweetie.
No cheap trick. She lit the oven, brought the heat. Cookies lined up, looking sweet. Packed them tight, made her rounds. $5 a box, she owns this town. Books and games in a crate out front. Weekend rounds, so just name what you want. Ghostbusters, Goosebumps, Mario Kart. She's got a sign and a business heart. Give me that cash, no chores for pay. Give me that cash, earn it my way. Mowing, baking, walking dogs. This kid don't need no catalogs. Watch the baby, told a joke. Cleaned the room and fixed what broke. They came home smiling, handed the pay. You're not just a kid, you're boss today. Allowance, I make my own.
She saves up pennies, spends with style. She's making lists, she's freestyling wild. But somehow they make it work. With coupons, glitter, and a little quirk. He's fog machines and disco dreams. She's budgeting rice and canned beans. The love that I run make just makes sense. It's time for penny and cents.
Ricky, did you use our rent money to buy a fog machine?
It was a need, Patty. Atmosphere is everything when you're vibing to earth, wind and fire.
We needed rent, not rentertainment. Oh no, it's Mrs. Pickleman.
Hi, Sugar. Just popping by for rent. I trust my favorite tenants are early again.
Oh, absolutely. We were just counting it, responsibly.
Patty, where do we keep the fog juice?
What kind of juice?
He's experimenting with new cleaning products.
All right, I'll be back at 8. Don't make me chase you down. I jog now.
Ricky, how could you use the rent money on that thing?
It's not just a thing, it's a mood. A party without fog is just people breathing.
We needed rent. You wanted fog. Wants are nice, but needs keep us from sleeping in the laundry room.
Okay. I panicked. The fog machine spoke to me.
Well, it better sing, because we need a miracle. Wait, what if we have a party?
Go on. What about the fog machine?
We tell Mrs. Pickleman it's a surprise disco in her honor. Charge everyone $5 at the door.
You're saying we use the want to meet the need.
That's what I call rentonomics. When your want pays for your need, it stops being just a want.
I haven't felt this alive since roller boogie night at the Elks Lodge.
We made the rent with extra for fog juice.
Turns out a want can help a need if you get creative.
But next time, Ricky?
Needs first, fog later.
Next time on Penny and Cents, Penny opens a savings account. Ricky opens a catwalking service.
All right, welcome back. This episode took us through a 70s sitcom, an 80s music video, and a 90s style Fix Club trailer. All focused on helping kids build confidence, money smarts, and a little bit of swagger. All right, let's recap what we learned today, by lesson, not just by decade. Number 1, chores and allowance should be totally separate. Chores are just what we have to do because we're a family and things need to get done, whereas allowance is a tool to learn how to manage money. Number 2, kids don't have to wait for allowance. They can start small, look for problems to solve, and earn with creativity and purpose. Number 3, figuring out wants versus need is a lifelong skill. Wants are great, but needs always have to come first. That's true whether you're 10 or 40. Number 4, popularity doesn't equal wisdom. Just because everyone's doing it doesn't mean that it's smart, especially when marketers are counting on it. And number 5, entrepreneurial adventures build more than income. They help kids develop confidence, resourcefulness, and the mindset to create their own path, not just follow one. If this episode sparked something for you and your kiddo, let us know in the comments. Which skit hit home? Or what topic do you want us to tackle next? And don't forget to check out the show notes below, where we've linked some of our favorite books and resources to help your kiddo learn how to start earning, saving, and building confidence today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode.